Today my mom's going to make us some delicious and addictive crispy rice crack treats. Only 5 ingredients and no baking. You'll need a sturdy mixing spoon, 4 tablespoons of vegan butter, 2 cups of vegan marshmallows, 1 cup of creamy, no added salt peanut butter, 1 cup of honey. You can substitute maple syrup or blackstrap molasses if you don't want to use honey, and 4 cups of crispy rice cereal. Start melting the butter in a non-stick pan. While the butter is melting, measure out 2 cups of the marshmallows and add to the pan. Mix it around so the butter coats everything and let it continue to heat. Next, measure out 1 cup of peanut butter. Continue melting the marshmallows and then add the peanut butter. Stir it thoroughly. Now, measure 1 cup of honey or honey alternative. Add it to the pan and mix. Once the marshmallows have mostly dissolved, turn off the heat and put the pan onto a wood cutting board or something heat safe. Measure 4 cups of the crispy rice and add it to the pan. This will take a while to completely mix. Scoop all of the crack treat into an 8x8 baking pan lined with parchment paper. This will make it much easier to remove. Put the baking pan into the freezer for 45 minutes. Use the parchment paper to lift it out of the pan and set it on your cutting board. Cut it into 16 squares. That's it! My mom's delicious, crispy rice crack treats. Put them in plastic wrap or Ziplocs and keep them in the fridge or freezer. Try not to eat them all in one sitting.